Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ClickFunnels funnel templates for SaaS marketing, full guide step by step clearly. To download ClickFunnels funnel templates for SaaS marketing, start by navigating to the ClickFunnels website. If you don't have an account yet, create one by signing up. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its layout. Locate the funnel marketplace in the menu. Click on this option to access a variety of funnel templates specifically designed for different purposes. Use the search bar to find funnel templates tailored for SaaS marketing. Filter your search results based on categories or user ratings to find the best options available. Once you find a funnel template that suits your needs, click on it for more details. Review the template features, design, and any included elements to ensure it meets your requirements. When you're ready, click the Add to Funnel button associated with the template. You will then be prompted to select a funnel or create a new one. If you're creating a new funnel, choose a funnel type suited for SaaS marketing. Provide a name for your new funnel and click Create Funnel. After the funnel is created, it will automatically import the selected template. Now, navigate to the funnel editor to customize it further. Modify text, images, and other elements to match your branding and messaging. Adjust any settings related to integrations with payment processors or email services as needed. Preview your funnel to see how it looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Once satisfied with your changes, click Save to finalize your customizations. Publish your funnel to make it live and accessible to your audience. Test the funnel thoroughly to ensure all links and functionalities work as intended. Your ClickFunnels funnel template for SaaS marketing is now ready to drive conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.